In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this error whenever you're trying to download any particular file from Google Drive, it shows you this problem: download quota exceeded for this file, so you cannot download it at present time. Or you might see, sorry, you can't view or download this file at this time. It is the similar error. Let's see how we can resolve that. Now, to fix this problem, what you need to do is just right click on this file that you want to download and make sure to paste it in the normal window tab, not the incognito window. So we head over to the normal one, and let's say this is the file. We click on the more actions, click on organize and select add shortcut. Go to your drive, and here we just double click on the drive, click on create new folder. SAB1 link shortcut, whatever you want to name it. Click create and click add. So now it's created. Let's go to my drive, and here is the newly created folder, SAB1 link shortcut. Open it up, and next to the my drive name and next to the folder name, basically you get this drop down. From here, just select download and wait for the zipping to complete. After that, you should be able to download it. So this is how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.